Hello guys, today's the sixth tutorial I think on Spigot API programming and Java of course. So today is going to be a little bit, it's going to be something different, I'll tell you that. It's not going to be like something like events or commands, but it's actually going to be how to do a particular thing, and that particular thing is going to be healing, because if you're a vanilla server and you don't have essentials, which you probably don't, and you just want the specific heal command, you can just do this yourself. It's an easy to do thing. And yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. So I don't know why this is here. This is from my other class, from my mess up. That was really embarrassing when I accidentally programmed the other class. My god. Okay, so basically, since this sub command has nothing, it just has this weird message thing, I'm actually going to make the heal class in here. So, whoops. So what to do? What? Okay, so we're gonna do player target equals bucket dot, no, let's do sender dot get server dot get player. We're gonna do args array, or no, yeah, that's okay. There, that should work. Oh, whoops, I accidentally put squiggly brackets. Okay, there, that should work. So now we have a target and a player. So what the target is basically our heal command is going to do, when we type /heal, it'll heal ourselves, but we'll also have the option to heal other players. So in order to select other players, you're gonna need this, so it can get the other player. So if the target is equal to null, which means if the target is not on the server, doesn't exist, we're going to say sender, no, we have the player here. Okay, so player.send message, oops, player.send message, this player, oops, player doesn't exist or isn't online at the moment. Gonna keep it short and condensed, and if it, oh wait, I always forget to do the return true thing. It's a pain in the ass. Okay, so here it's going to, if target is not equal to null, and there. No wait. Oh my god, I'm retarded. So yeah, if target is equals to null. Okay, so, and else, we're gonna make an else statement. I'm just gonna right here. It's going to be, oh, I need to change this first actually. I'm just gonna, don't forget to change this to, actually, no, that should be okay. It should be okay. And now that I think about it, we're not gonna use this else statement. We're gonna use player.set health, there, to 20. So this is what we're gonna set their health by. So every heart is actually 2, and you have 10 hearts, so do the math. And to get your player to full health, you need to put 20. To get your player to half health, 10. If you want to, like, whatever, 3 hearts or something, like 5, I don't know. So we're gonna set their health to 20, and we're going to player.set, let me see, what is it called, saturation, there, saturation, also to 20. So it'll set their hunger bar full, and it will set their health to full, of course. So after we're done that, let me see here, that, okay, good. So if args.length is equal to 1, and we're going to as far as that is equal to 1, we're going to target dot set health 20. So what's happening here is, oh my god, what's happening here is basically saturation to 20. Alright, so if the arguments, which means, so basically what an argument is let's say we're doing slash help. We're doing slash help. This is your 0th argument, if that makes sense. Like, it's Java always starts from 0, so it doesn't start from 1, it just starts from 0. So this is basically your first, so it starts on 0. And if you have a second argument, which is basically 1, this is what your second argument would look like slash help, like 2, where you go to the second page. This right here is your your first argument, technically. So if the argument is number 1, is 1, then we're going to assume that that's going to be the player, and we're going to get the target, and we're going to set its health to 20, and we're going to set his saturation to 22. So that's basically how you make it. I mean, it's as simple as that, really. Lots of people want healing commands for their own reasons, and you can use your own little twists on these too. Like, it's remember to return. I hate that. See what I mean? I always forget these return shit. Like, god. Return trip. Okay, I don't need it there. My gosh. So yeah, this is how it works. I don't know what else to show you guys. I mean, like, oh, you know what? We can do a player.send message, and then we can say heal. Player.send message. Healed. You've been healed, actually. You've been healed. And whoops. Control C, and because I'm a lazy asshole, I'm just gonna do that, and we are going to check color to spice things up a bit. .red. A lot of people forget the plus sign here. You need that plus sign if you're gonna add another string, if you're gonna add one of these thingies, if you're gonna add another integer. Like, you need the plus sign there. Like, so we're going to do check color. Oh my god, check color .red. Yay! So basically what happens, just recap, so we have our player and target statements here, and if the player is not online or doesn't exist, it will send them this and return true. If he does exist, then it will set his health and saturation to full, and it will send them a message saying you've been healed. If the arguments is equal to 1, we're going to set the target, which is the player that we want to heal, to his saturation and his health to full, and we need to change player to target. My bad. And we're going to send them a message. So that's that, and this is basically how you do it. It's not hard at all, really. It isn't. Yeah, that's really all that's for the healing plugin, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I usually don't tell you guys to subscribe, because if you want to subscribe, that's your own thing. Like, it would be great if you guys want to like the video. That's also great, but I'm not going to ask you guys to do that because I don't see the point in it. So thank you guys. Please like, wait for my next episode, which will be really soon. I usually upload in like bundles. Is that an English word? bundles or groups. So I like yesterday I uploaded my first 5 videos, and today I'm gonna upload my my 6th to 10th video. It's just how I like to do it, so you guys don't have to wait for like every single episode. Like I know how much of a hassle it is. When I was learning Java, it was like that too. Sorry, just drank some more. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next episode, episode 6. Episode 6 will probably be on... What did I have planned last episode? I remember I said that I was gonna do... Oh well, we'll get to it. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so I kinda lied. This is not gonna be the end. I'm actually going to change things up a bit because it wasn't the neatest. And there are simpler ways to do it. So we're going to do if let me see. I'm just gonna test something. 1 second. I guess server dot get player and then args 0 if it is equal to null, then we will do this. Okay, so that works. And we're going to do if the args, if the args dot length. I was just kind of looking over my code and I was like, this, I don't know if this is like the simplest way, and I want to show you guys the simplest way to do things. So that's that, and boom, and we have that. Just gonna control. Should I indent everything? Oh, I need to pull in my chair. Gosh, I hate when my chair isn't like tucked in. Ugh. There. Alright, so basically what the new thing is saying is if it only has one argument, which is /heal, and the player does exist. If the player does exist, then it will set the player saturation and such to that. And instead of the target null thing, we're going to do else if. No, we're just gonna do what are we gonna do? We're gonna make this an else if statement. So else if. So basically it's saying, or if it has 1, then it will send us that, and we have to put a return true. Sorry if this is kind of confusing for you guys. I'm just gonna code everything out first. Okay. I'm gonna do. I'm trying to think this through. No, it should be fine. Here we'll just put an else statement. Else saying player dot send message. We're going to do this player doesn't exist or isn't online. So that's a better way of doing things instead of using those if statements. This is a better way of doing it. So basically what's happening here is we have a player and target statement like we said last time, and if the arguments is equal to 1 basically, so if it's just /heal, then sorry, my throat's really dry today with the if the arguments is equal to 1 and the player is online, so is not online, we're going to set its health to 10, basically 20. We're going to set his health bar to full and his food bar to full, and we're going to send him a message saying in chat color red, you've been healed. Else, so otherwise, if he does not exist, then you know what, we're gonna change that. I'm sorry. That really bothers me. I'm gonna change this to if target equals. No. Then we're gonna do this message. And we have to move this else if up by 1. There we go. So if the target does not exist, then it will send them a message saying this player doesn't exist or isn't online. And same thing here. If the args, okay, yeah, that works. So this is how you actually now there's not going to be any more changes. This is how you do it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me see how long it's been. 15 minutes. That's relatively long for a health. I'm sorry, but I just wanted to clear things up first, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next episode, which is going to be later on today. So, bye!